So good morning everyone.
Morning, sir.
It's a fresh morning. So I wish you all the best. All the best to everyone here. So here we have team 1 from class 9B, Tanmoy, Priyanshu and Nath. What is the model about?
Model about is different type of motion.
Motion. Okay, they are going to show the different type of motion. So I like to congratulate them. All the best. Carry on. Thank you so much. Carry on.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to explain you about different type of motion. There are various type of motion, but today we are going to explain about 6 different type of motion. Number 1, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is when an object moves back and forth around a central point. This happens due to a force which pull it to the middle. This movement follows a regular pattern from going to one side to the another. Examples of the oscillatory motion are a swinging pendulum and a bouncing spring. Number 2, rotational motion. Rotational motion is when an object spins and moves around a central point or the axis. Instead of moving in a straight line, it moves in a circular path. Every point on the circle of the object increasing on the circle. Example of the rotational motion are Earth rotating on its axis and a spinning wheel.
Downhill motion. Downhill motion refers to the movement of an object towards the downward direction along the slope.
Show also, demonstrate also. While you say show something, which topic you are talking about?
Suppose this pencil is an object. When I keep here, this pencil is going downward.
What was it? Rolling motion, sliding motion, what motion it is?
This is downhill motion.
Okay.
Downhill motion refers to the movement of an object towards the downward direction along the slope, primarily driven by the force of gravity, where the object accelerates as it moves towards the downhill or incline. Specifically, it describes any motion where something is moving downward, from the slope and gaining speed due to the pull of gravity. And the primary motion caused by the downhill is the composition of gravity acting parallel to the slope. If the object is moving downhill, the potential energy converted into kinetic energy. Now, periodic motion. Periodic motion in physics, repeated in equal intervals of time. Means any event or object repeated again and again in equal intervals of time. For example, rocking a chair, Earth rotates around Sun.
Good morning everyone, my name is Krishna and now I will explain you about vibrating motion and rectilinear motion. At first, what is vibrating motion? The vibrating motion is a type of motion in which a body moves back and forth around a fixed surface, fixed point. The motion is rapidly moving at a regular time, creating a periodic pattern. The motion is for example, for vibrating motion is seen in commonly day-to-day life like pendulum, guitar string and springs. Now rectilinear motion. What is rectilinear motion? And rectilinear motion is a type of motion in which a body moves in a straight path or line, and the direction of the rectilinear motion remains constant with no change in its direction. Rectilinear motion can be uniform or non-uniform, and The rectilinear motion includes distance, the total path and displacement, the shortest path traveled to its initial to the final point. And examples of rectilinear motions are a road, or say a car is moving in a straight road, and a train is traveling on a straight track. Thank you, and by saying this we conclude our topic.
This is a bouncing spring.
To and from.
It
Oscillating
comes
motion.
accelerate and come back in the middle in a regular intervals of time. It is an example of oscillating motion.
Next, what is this?
It is also a type of oscillating motion.
What is this?
Rotation. It example is a pen.
And what is this?
Vibrating motion.
And what is this?
Different types.
No, this is topic. And what is sliding?
Down, down.
Any question from public side? No question? What is motion? The very topic is motion. So this is not what it is motion. What is motion?
When an object moves when an object is moving with time,
When an object is moving, it is in motion.
Definition not clear. When the object changes its position with time. Right? Thank you so much. Next.